guys, in front of me is REALME Narzo Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message. Now mark Start Chat, and here you've got the current keyboard. Mark Settings, go to Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and now you can select the one that you want. You can either scroll till you find the one, or in search area provide the language that you want to use your keypad in. Pick the layout, tap on Done, and now you can either stay with both languages, and now smoothly by tapping on this word icon you can change between them, or you can remove all unnecessary languages and stay with one language only. In that case, this word icon disappears. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.